Hello. At Boilers2Go, we know a faulty heat exchanger is a massive headache. Today, we're looking at the signs and how to fix it. The heat exchanger is the heart of your boiler, transferring heat from the gas to your water. Watch for whistling, kettling noises, physical leaks, or constant pressure drops. These are major red flags. The main killer is magnetite sludge. In unmaintained systems, this debris blocks the exchanger and kills efficiency. Prevention is cheaper than repair. Fitting a magnetic filter and using inhibitors will keep your system clean. A professional power flush clears sludge before it causes permanent, costly damage to your heat exchanger. Repairs are expensive. If your boiler is over 8 years old, a full replacement often provides better value. If you suspect a crack, shut the boiler down and ventilate immediately. Safety must always come first. Maintain your system for a warm home. Follow Boilers2Go for more advice and hit that subscribe button now.